This is the final destination of a long and complex journey. Finished coffee, prepared for distribution worldwide. Thousands of identical packages move continuously through automated systems without pause. Precision, logistics, and quality control come together at industrial scale. Every package represents countless technical decisions and controlled processes. From this endpoint, we trace the story back to its very beginning. Before roasting and packaging, coffee begins its journey as raw green beans delivered in bulk to the factory. At this stage, the process is focused on control and preparation rather than transformation. Every shipment is measured, monitored, and carefully routed through intake systems. Temperature, moisture, and volume are tracked continuously to preserve quality. This is where agricultural material officially enters the industrial workflow. Before roasting can begin, the coffee beans must be thoroughly cleaned and sorted. At this stage, the goal is to remove any foreign materials and ensure uniform quality across massive volumes of raw beans. Advanced machines inspect every bean individually, using sensors, cameras, and precise mechanical systems. Even minor defects are detected and separated automatically. This step ensures consistency, safety, and reliability before the beans move on to thermal processing. Roasting is the most critical and defining stage in the entire coffee production process. This is the moment when raw green beans are transformed into aromatic coffee through precisely controlled heat. Inside the roasting drum, complex chemical reactions occur. Sugars caramelize, acids evolve, and hundreds of flavor compounds are formed. Temperature curves, airflow, and roasting time are continuously monitored and adjusted to achieve a consistent result. Even a small variation at this stage can change the final taste dramatically, which is why roasting combines advanced engineering with expert human oversight. After roasting, coffee beans must be ground with extreme precision. The The size of the grind directly affects extraction, flavor balance, and consistency in the final cup. Industrial grinding systems are designed to handle large volumes while maintaining uniform particle size across every batch. Heat, friction, and pressure are carefully managed to avoid damaging the coffee's aromatic compounds. At this stage, engineering accuracy ensures that the roasted coffee performs the same way every time it is brewed. Once the coffee is ground, it must be protected from air, moisture, and light to preserve its freshness. Packaging is not simply a logistical step. It is a critical extension of quality control. Each portion is measured, sealed, and labeled with extreme accuracy to ensure consistency across millions of units. Advanced packaging machines work continuously, forming, filling, and sealing bags in a synchronized flow. At this stage, the product is prepared not only for storage and transport, but for the moment it will be opened by the consumer. After leaving the factory, coffee continues its journey through logistics networks, storage facilities, and retail spaces. Each package carries with it the result of industrial precision, quality control, and careful processing. When the bag is finally opened, the production process gives way to ritual: grinding, brewing, and extraction. Hot water activates the compounds created during roasting, releasing aroma and flavor into the cup. What began as raw agricultural material now becomes a simple, everyday experience shaped by engineering, time, and attention to detail.